Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DirectX crashing errors in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Season 1. Whether you're constantly getting crashes while playing, or you just want to enjoy smooth gameplay without interruptions, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to get back in the action quickly. First, open your game settings and go to the graphics section. In the display settings, change the display mode to full-screen borderless. This helps prevent conflicts between your GPU and the game, which often causes DirectX crashes. Next, press Apply settings to save these changes. These tweaks help your system run the game more efficiently and reduce the chances of a crash. If you're using Steam, right-click on Call of Duty, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair any corrupted files. This step is essential to ensure your game runs smoothly. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to the Documents folder. Find and delete the Call of Duty folder. Don't worry. The game will recreate this folder with fresh settings, which often solves persistent crash issues. It's also a good idea to keep your graphics drivers updated. This keeps your system optimized and your gaming experience smooth. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix DirectX crashing errors in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Season 1 and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If this helped you, share it with someone who's struggling with the same issue. Why not make their gaming session stress-free?